the channel that's about baking and much more. A warm welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to present today's video on one of my favorite snacks, delicious chicken mayonnaise cold sandwiches. What's more, I'll also be showing you how to make the grilled version. These chicken sandwiches are soft and have a rich, creamy filling, but they are also loaded with veggies. And so, they're not just super tasty, they're nutritious too and would make a very filling and satisfying snack. Well, I can't wait to show you my recipe for soft and tasty chicken mayo sandwiches. So let's start making these right now at Patty Cake. Let's start by cooking some chicken. I've set the heat to medium and will now add half a cup of water to this vessel. This is 200 grams of chicken breast. I've washed it and will now add it to the pot. I'll season the chicken with half a teaspoon of salt that I've already added to it off camera by mistake, and will now add half a teaspoon of ground pepper, half a teaspoon of crushed ginger, and half a teaspoon of crushed garlic. After the water comes to a boil, we'll let the chicken cook for 2 minutes. And then flip it over. We'll now cover the vessel and cook the chicken on medium heat for around 5 minutes. Let's flip it over one more time. Cover the vessel and let the chicken continue cooking for another 6 to 7 minutes or till it's fully cooked. We'll now keep the lid off and continue cooking the chicken for around 2 more minutes till all the water evaporates. Let's remove the chicken to a plate and let it cool a little. I'll now cut it into pieces and shred it using 2 forks, like this. In this pan, I have 2 teaspoons of oil heating on a medium flame. To it, I'll add 3 finely chopped green chilies. I'll let them fry for a few seconds and then add 1 small chopped onion. We'll saute the onion for 1 or 2 minutes till it softens. And then add in the shredded chicken and saute this too lightly. After sauteing the chicken for around 2 minutes, we'll turn off the heat, remove the chicken to a bowl, and let it cool completely. Now let's add some vegetables to the chicken. Let's add 3 tablespoons of grated carrot, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum, 3 tablespoons of de-seeded and finely chopped tomato, and 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Next, we'll flavor the mix with 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. If you don't have red chili sauce, you could add around half to 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce instead. We'll also add a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and around half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Now let's add in some mayonnaise. You could add regular mayonnaise or the eggless variety. We'll first mix in 3 tablespoons of it. And then add 1.5 tablespoons more. At this stage, you could adjust the taste of the filling if necessary. Our filling tastes just right. To make perfect sandwiches, you have to start with fresh and soft sandwich bread. I'll cut off the edges of each bread slice. This is optional. I use the cut off edges to make breadcrumbs. Now let's spread some mayonnaise on each of 2 bread slices. And then sandwich them together with our delicious, creamy chicken mayo filling. If you want to make the sandwiches in advance and have or serve them later, then to prevent the bread slices from getting soggy, instead of mayonnaise, apply a thin layer of butter to them. Our soft and tasty chicken sandwiches are ready to dig into and enjoy. You could also grill these sandwiches, so they are crunchy on the outside and deliciously soft inside. Let me show you how. Apply a thin layer of butter to the outside of each bread slice and grill the sandwiches in a sandwich maker or on a griddle or pan on medium heat, like this, till they are golden brown on the outside. If you liked today's video, do give it a thumbs up. And I hope you'll soon make these at home and see for yourself how delicious these chicken mayo sandwiches are. Do subscribe for more tasty recipes like this. Until we meet again, happy cooking!